Hello cuties! Today we are going to learn descending order. Do you know what is descending order? First, previous chapter we learned increasing order where we everything get increased. Here we are going to learn a decreasing order where everything is going to be reduced. That is called decreasing. First it will be a big, then it will getting small. Suppose you have a ice cream. Okay. Suppose you have a very tasty cone ice cream. Let me color with the different colors. Okay. Wow, it's so yummy. It's so yummy ice cream. And suddenly now you're very happy, right? See the ice cream. It's look yummy and you're very happy. Wow, it's so tasty. But after some time, what will happen? That ice cream will going to be melt or either you will eat, right? Suppose we are going to be melted. It will get a smaller one. Okay. Now it's get little smaller. Now again after some time will be get reduced like this much, and after few minutes the cone is also about to finish like this. Very small and very small ice cream cone. Okay, and after some time it's gone to your tummy. No ice cream left, right? So what will happen? Starting you have a big ice cream. After that eating and it's going reduce to this side, then it get reduced to this side, then this, and then finish, and then it is small and then it will finished. So this is called the descending order where we have first biggest thing which will come to the smallest one. Okay, now you got what is descending order, which is decreasing, which is first we have a bigger one, then it's getting reduced to smallest one. So it's called descending order. So now we will take in a numerical way. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. When we are going from this way, it's called increasing, right? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 means it's adding. 1 is adding in that. And when we are going from this way, it's decreasing. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So it's like reducing them. So in descending order, we have to see like this way, not this way. This is for ascending. You go and check my first video where I show how the increasing order works. Today we are discussing about the decreasing order. So how decreasing order works. Okay. Now I will reverse it and I will show you how it's look like in a descending order. From the biggest to smallest one. It is called descending order when we are going from the biggest letter to the smallest number. So that is called descending order. Now we are going to learn in a few examples. Let's see. First we have to take one example and you all kids have to tell me what will be the answer. Okay? This is the example. Can you tell me how we can do it for descending order? From the above we can see and check, right? So, which one is the biggest one? Yeah, you have to tell me. Which one is biggest one? 10. Is any 10 is here? Yes, 10 is there. Yeah, we can write it 10. Now, which number next? 9. Is 9 is there? 4. 9. Yes, 9 is there. Now, 8. Is 8 there? 4, 9, 7, 10. No 8. Okay. Is 7 is there? 4, 9, 7. Yes, 7 is there. Which I done? Let it cut it down. Only one number left. So one number left means Obviously, it will come next to the seventh one. 10. Now we will take a next example. Now kids, I take a new example. Now, previously I will told you how to check the number who is greater or who is smallest. First, we will come from the left side, okay? And we underline the first number from the left side. 1, 2. Here, tell me which number it comes. Always there, if there is no number, there will be a 0 in front of them. That will be, we have to understand it. 0, 2. Okay. So now here in descending order, what we have to find? We have to find the smallest one or the largest one? Right. We have to find the largest one. 2 and again 2. Oh my God, it's 2, 2. How can we find the next number? Have you remember? Yeah, from the right side, we will see this is 9 and this is 1. This is 21 and this is 29. 9 is bigger, right? 9 is bigger than 1, right? So, right now which number I will write? 21 or 29? Yeah, tell me, tell me. Right, we will write 29. Why? Because we are finding descending order. First we have to find the biggest number. Biggest. Right? So we write down 29 and we cut it down this number. It's done. Now 21 is left, right? After 29, 21 will come. So we write 21. Then I'll cut it out. Now, tell me which number will be bigger, 11 or 3? Here, the first number is 0 and here the first number is 1. 1 is bigger than 0, right? So, we will write 1, that is 11. And after that, we write 0, 3, done! Our one task is done now. Hooray! Now, we will take another example. We have to do, I will not tell you. Okay? First note it down, this example, and then tell me what will be the answer. We are doing right. Okay, let's start. We do together. Okay? So, first what we will do? First rule is, from the left side, we will underline the first digit number. From the left side, 3, 5, 2, 1 and 4. Okay. Now in mind you have to find which one is bigger one. Okay. Let's check. 3 is bigger than 5. No. 5 is bigger. Okay. Now make it 5 as our star. Now suppose we are taking in a mind. Okay. 5 is also a bigger number than this one. Okay. Now compare this 5 with other number. 5 is smaller than 2? No, 5 is bigger. Okay, he is getting 2 points. Okay, 5 is greater than 1? Yes, okay, 3 points. And 5 is greater than 4? Yes, because after 4, 5 is coming. So 5 is bigger one. Right? So it got 4 star. Wow, that's nice. So 52 is the biggest number in all this one. So I will write it down. 52. Cut it down. Done. Now we check 3, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4. 4 is the next biggest number. Okay. Right. It's done. Now we have 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Right? So 3 is the biggest than 2 and 1. So it's 30. 30. Now it's also done. Bye-bye, Tati. Now 2 and 1. Who is the bigger one in this? Obviously 2. Okay. So we'll write 26. 26 also done. Last one left. 1. So I will write down 10. Hooray! We finish our descending order so easily, right? So you all kids going to remember this, right? If you remember this, you will never going to be do mistakes. Please remember it. Okay, kids? Exercise. Could you please do for me, right? Okay? Let's do. I'm giving you this example. Please note it down in your notebook and try to do it and finish it and show you to your mama. Is it okay, mama? You can cross check with your mama and you can show them. Yeah, mama, I can do it. Very good, kids. So we are going to meet you in the next day. Bye bye.